Bring your ball in.
Oh, I was just filming it sideways, thinking that on a video you can do that, but you really can't. It's gonna be used sideways.
Shut up! I'm gonna kick your ass! Fuck off!
Don't swear! This is our video.
One received message. Alicia, I'm good, how are you? Fuck you.
Alicia! Danielle just revealed her real feelings about you.
I got it!